Good morning, everyone. Today we want to discuss about the project requirement specifications. So now let us start to discuss. So for this project, do you guys know what is the project is?
Yes, LMS learning system.
Like the learning management system. So for the audience, we classified to three: admin, lecturers, and students, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So
So we will
hmm.
build for the pusat apel education, right?
Yes. So for purpose of this specification, I think everyone knows what is this.
LMS.
Yeah. So we got user, course, the assessment, student record, and student performance report.
So for the scope, we need to classify to within and outside. What's the meaning of within and outside? So this part is the purpose of the specification, right? Or the scope.
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 Is it their details?
On details of the project. So
User, we have three users.
three users, yes. For the courses, we have four label four tahap, right?
Yep. 1 to 4.
No, right.
Tahap 1,
We
tahap
got
2.
3, 4, 6, 7.
Oh,
3, 4, 6, and 7. So for assessment,
Assessment is
it's like 10 questions before selections.
so for tahap
Tahap 3, 4, 6 is 10 multiple questions with 4 selections. And for they have another short answer is for level 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. Okay. So the student record like the student accounts.
Maybe like the assessment result,
Or
something like this.
result is at performance
Oh,
report.
performance report. Yeah.
The record may be the accounts, the details of students.
Student record, like student profile.
in the user, how many? Is it 10?
10 instructor and 10
students.
students.
Yeah.
Admin, 1 person only.
Mm,
I think 1 person per
Okay.
one or two. One or two.
I think it doesn't care about how many.
Okay.
Student record.
And what about this? Include a description. What is so we have to define the meanings of the within the scope and outside the scope.
I think it's just
Define the
this many
meanings.
point we explain in sentence.
Okay, so I write here defines the meaning.
student record got any specification? No, right? Just like maybe name, year.
Like names,
including their payment of the course.
maybe I got metric numbers and the course they tag course register course.
Register course payment.
Hmm.
I think
I think four enough lah. I think
yeah.
the basic.
Then if for oh okay.
Okay, so this part is no question, right?
No.
Okay, we move to next one. So the product and service descriptions. So for this part, we simply talk about our background information. What is the
Appel.
our what is appeal like that appeal. This is what's that? Provide the reasons why certain specification. This is like just simple.
It will specify later at the section.
At below like that.
Okay.
So we move to product contents. So for this product, for our learning management system is related to the SMART. It is like independence and self-contents. What's the means of that?
Maybe ada kaitan to
So
affiliation.
Independence will not
so for this
will
one,
not connect to anybody's.
does
If
it
independent, it will not connect to SMAP. I think,
like
but
self-content?
logic if connect with SMAP, because we need to take the student records.
Yeah.
Get information.
Yeah.
Or then they will share the database.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here want to describe this relation, use a diagram to show the measure. So the diagram has to related. We take the student record only, right?
I think so.
To show the major components of the larger system interconnections. Share database. Yes. So for this part, we use the diagram to describe the connections.
Okay.
So next we discuss about the user characteristic. For example,
So just now we say we have three type
three
of
users.
Free user,
student,
student, instructor, and admin.
instructors, admin. So at this section, we need to specify their experience.
Maybe word or study.
Work experience and maybe what else?
Work
Study.
experience for students and instructor, is it? Or just students?
I think students. For students and instructor, I mean, is suitable for the work experience. Maybe the instructors have worked for
How many years? Teach how
before.
many
Yeah,
years? is it? Teach how many years?
What's a work and teaching experience like that? Work experience maybe for students, instructor maybe for instructors. What else? So for experience, what else?
Because
And
the student is from they have experience in work, but they need to continue their study, so
to improve.
they will join the appel.
Yeah.
The
And
work
then
experience.
can add one more for the study experience. Maybe the student are graduate from diploma.
The level.
Study,
Yeah,
study experience like that. What
study
about
experience.
or like education
Education
level.
level.
Yeah, education experience. Then
Technical
appetite.
expertise.
Technical expertise. Maybe like a student who has programming language like Java, C++, Python, or else.
So for the first one, students for faculty, we maybe delete the faculty. Staff, I think
Delete.
no need, right?
No need. They already write down below.
I think the first one is what we mentioned,
Students,
instructor, admin.
okay.
I think can put over there.
Okay.
So for other general characteristic, I don't think that we need.
Yeah.
I
So
think we
I
don't
just,
have.
I think just delete for we focus on three parts for
Okay.
user characteristic. Okay.
So
So
next we
next,
move on assumption.
for user characteristic, we just simply write a sentence, right? No need to any diagram. No need, right?
I think no need.
Okay.
If want to
Next.
put also
Hmm.
can.
So okay, next we move to assumptions.
Assumption.
So for the this one have provide the operating system. I think for learning management is system is for support for all operating system.
Yeah.
But for
Yeah, I
application,
agree.
we need to
Uh,
application we need to specify or not. Maybe no, maybe yes. Support all operating system. And also
connect. Need to access Wi-Fi.
provide limitations or performs under internet connection like that connect with
Under
under internet connections
Yeah, and the internet connection.
hardware limitation and performs maybe they need the hardware like laptop like uh I think for iPad is able to open the learning management system, right?
It can.
I think all
Mobile,
Devices.
mobile also,
I think
mobile
all
also can.
device can. Or we say no limitation.
No limitation. No hardware limitation. Oh, okay.
So we no need to list down the specific device. Safety and performance.
So for the safety and security performs, we may be right for right to log in the system have to use a password and also username.
Mm.
And
Okay.
then maybe the policy and turn.
Mm. Policy.
And I think enough for assumption.
Mm. Is
Then
already five
yeah,
five categories.
yeah. Then we move to constraint.
Constraint. I have highlight this for. I think we can do for this one highlight part, and others maybe we don't need this
Maybe
So
later got idea we can add, but now
yes.
just
For
focus.
access management and security,
What make access?
like access to the system, we need the password and username, like that.
Okay.
So for security, maybe we say that all the information is under database, is secure in database, like that. Management, I don't have any ideas.
Management is main
Just about admin.
I mean it can
Like maintenance, right? Maintenance.
Admin add new user.
Yeah.
Pardon?
I mean
Admin.
instructor.
Yeah, instructor and
Management
Yeah.
is
so
for
user management lah.
Yeah, user management.
so this one is for user management. Is it? And security in database. What kind of database we want to use?
For the Moodle can back up the site.
Database in my SQL.
Like this. Is it?
And then we move to system resource constraint. We don't have hardware limitation like we talking about. We discussed before, right?
Yes. So this one no need. This one only, right?
I'm not sure this is one or not. Because online no hardware needed. I think yes. For design and construct design or other standards such as programming language and framework.
You use the Moodle, right?
Mm.
Mm.
This programming language?
I think no need.
No, no, right?
Yeah, we just use Moodle
um.
to complete the
So
website.
for the construct, we only one we able to discuss like access, user management, and the security.
So
Maybe
far,
design, we can say we use Moodle to design and complete the project.
constraint.
Moodle is a platform.
So we use
Audit function log fast. Is it like they got mentioned who last logged in like few minutes ago or within an hour? Is it?
Right.
I think so. Yeah, can highlight this one.
Yes. So highlight these update functions.
Available the the login time, the login.
The last login time.
Last log in. Sorry, login time.
The name also got display or not? The name of the users.
Not really. I'm not sure.
Not sure.
Not sure.
And that only, right? Like,
Yeah.
For audit trail
Wait, double
will include the user activities, access to data, login attempts. So for this one, we got audit trail
Yeah.
because we have the modules have display the login attempts.
okay.
Okay. I think enough for constraint. We can move to dependency.
Dependencies.
Dependencies. So for this part, any ideas?
And implementation maybe like at first the admin need to insert insert the
Because the example is
student
state the module
student
as
and
it's,
yeah
we can follow the second point example.
So
You mean
Just now
you
Min
mean
Jae say
mm,
the admin can add instructor and student, right?
yeah
yes.
then student and instructor can log into the system and then instructor can upload the
Admin
material.
add admin.
Admin add student and instructor.
student?
Not
Admin
admin,
admin add instructor and students, and
student and instructor.
instructors add the students, right? Add the courses. So for courses, who add?
Instructor assign the student to the course.
Not the admin assign all
Oh, I mean
students,
assign
instructor and course.
Yeah, suppose admin yang
okay.
Instructor just upload the material, all that.
So
Ah,
for courses is admin
sekejap.
respond to add, right? For courses.
what you mean?
For the course,
Uh-huh.
so the who is responsible to add the cost?
Admin ba.
Instructor.
Admin
Admin.
assign course to the student instructor and then instructor upload the course material and then the student can access the course material.
And upload homework ah.
Upload everything. This one is their function, right? The user function.
Or need to be complete before this module can be built. Macam sudah lari ya.
I think so.
We just explain the module. It's okay.
It's okay.
So the thing is,
we just put
first
the idea.
admin, the
So
admin
just-
first
just-
must add the students and instructor
And the course.
and the course.
Uh,
So after that, instructor just can log into their account and upload the course material.
yeah, then manage
Student
the
also
course.
just log in lah.
Okay. Then we go to the requirement.
All right. Requirement.
Requirement.
Function requirement.
Oh, okay.
just
We
go
go to
to
functional
yeah.
requirement. Yeah.
So describe what the software website should be.
Okay, so for this part, I think I did it all right, and we write down the functional requirements.
For functional requirement, we just write down the like such as login module without explanation, but we can discuss the explanation.
Okay, like functional requirements like
Register.
register. Who register?
Admin.
Admin register.
Like just now we mentioned in that salah landing with the
Admin
part.
register name
I think we just use the sentence here. The web application shall accept something.
For student and instructor.
accept.
Just list out the module, I think enough.
Yeah,
Right, register.
like register module,
Login.
login, user
And-
management,
Student management for first
Assign 没有
register login student able to
user management also include like the lecturer, assign lecturer. That's it.
yeah.
Okay.
All in the user management,
Upload notes or file.
and then cost management,
Upload download, tech assessment, and
I think download tech assessment or in the or in the course management.
Management. Yeah. No, got some more?
is it like this?
Yeah. And then notification management.
Notification.
I think that's all for the functional requirement.
Okay.
Okay, then we go to user interface requirement.
User interface.
So for user interface requirement, we have the required screen format. We can mention that we have used the template. Template and maybe logo of UTHM.
UTSM, yeah.
And the category must divide theory.
Okay, categories. Like navigation bar.
Hey, why you why two of you type? Okay, and then
For the error message, maybe have the like password wrong
yeah,
password.
password.
What
Then
else?
cannot log.
What else? What's
Then cannot
else?
log.
Error message.
Wrong password or username. I How about report layout?
Report layout.
Can put also.
Maybe all important information about like student grades, their personal information.
Oh, okay. Personal information and result. Okay, and okay, then that's all for user interface requirement.
No,
Okay, we
no question for user interface requirement.
no.
This part just describe only, right?
In sentence, yes.
Okay.
Okay, next
I go
move
to
to usability. Usability, we discussed about three parts: learn ability, efficiency of use, like no error, user errors, like they can, for example, they can submit, like that. For
All
inti,
the operation
yeah,
smoothly lah.
okay.
So for intuitiveness, like interface is easy, user friendly.
Oh, okay.
This also is just describe the in sentence. So
Yeah.
for this part,
Okay.
I think is clear. So
Quite intuitive. Why almost like learnability?
Which huh?
Into 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 something.
Intuitiveness.
Okay. Almost
uh,
like learnability.
this is like navigation, the button, the heading. Maybe the learn ability, like we have support some documents how to
Use the
use the
system.
system, like have the document, but intuitiveness like the button and the heading have mentioned all the things.
Oh, okay.
I think the meanings is like that lah.
Okay.
People still have problem, you say?
Okay, I think.
Maybe ayat problem ko.
Ayah problem I think so. We
Later
submit.
need to Google
Hmm.
the explanation.
If got any ideas, we cannot. We can
Add on.
add later.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Okay.
So next to performs, we discuss the capacity first. I think this is can Google, right?
Yeah, all because
We
we
need
use
to depend on Moodle.
Moodle. Yeah.
So for this part is can Google for Moodle informations.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Just now I googled the
Hmm.
limit is about 500 user at the same time.
At the same time.
They
Wow.
can support.
Okay, good. So next,
Availability.
Availability.
Yeah. Availability for hour of operation. I think our system is 24 hours standby.
24 hours, 7 days.
Yes.
Sama je. Coverage of geographical areas, Malaysia
Yeah.
only, I
Just
think.
open for
Or
Malaysia.
just UTHM community, UTHM student. Is it Malaysia or UTHM student? I think it's UTHM student.
Malaysia, I think.
Geography area is for Malaysia.
Anyone can apply.
Okay, then impact of downtime on user and business operation. And impact of schedule and unscheduled maintenance.
The impact, I think we need to maybe inform the user when they have there is a downtime or maintenance
Oh,
because
just
they cannot yeah, because they cannot enter their account, right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
There
for
is
the maintenance, we can fork out notification.
And then the impact of unscheduled schedule maintenance. We just set the time for maintenance is like about midnight, maybe 1 to 3 a.m. because that's the time less people.
okay. And
Inform
the
early. Inform early or
inform
Yeah,
on
inform
that.
if
early.
schedule means they will inform early, but
Mm.
unscheduled maybe after maintenance we need to provide the notification, inform what
But
is
for this part, they
main-
it mentioned in impact like kesan.
okay.
Kalau downtime, what the kesan?
User
The
cannot
user
use
cannot
it.
access.
User cannot
access.
log in the
So
system.
for business operation, that means also the learning management system operation.
Yeah,
Business.
system down.
I think for
Can't be operate
tractor.
sometime.
Maybe we can like
Maybe the system jam.
Jam.
System.
impact the
Maybe instructor is difficult to access to upload the material to the student. Maybe instructor need to email to the student about the material.
Same goes to student cannot upload.
Yeah,
I
and
think we
then
need to
student also
reduce
cannot.
the downtime because later if any problems they will refuse to use our system.
Mm. Good.
Okay.
Good point. Okay.
Okay. Then we move to latency.
Okay. So next is
and I think this is I have Google for this. Also got answer for this one.
okay.
Maximum
Maybe
acceptable time for
we
service
write
request.
in
Maybe this is that we say working hours.
Oh,
Working hours, not 24 hour, not 24 hour. We Google for it. Okay,
yeah.
just simply explain in sentence. So next, system interface.
Okay, so specify the use or other required product such as database. For database, we will use the MySQL, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then operating system,
Can be any
yeah, can
I
be
as long
think
any.
most
as
of the operating
web
system can be
web
used.
browser.
And
Web
then
browser.
interface with other system.
We give some example like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer,
All right.
like, and interface with other system.
Mm,
I think we'll use the utilization logo such like other system.
This we need to draw a wireframe, right? To represent the format and
Oh
content.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So for wireframe, we just draw
Draw
some.
after.
draw up.
Mm. So
Okay,
far okay.
and then conclusion.
Conclusion. Okay, so
So for
Who can
conclusion,
do the conclusion?
I think we have right here in checklist. So for overall, we want to build a learning management system.
Mm-hmm.
For Appel UTHM.
Which include the user like instructor, student, admin, and then
Appeal utilization.
UTHM.
Your management spelling wrong. Okay.
So we have clear about have 3 users,
yeah.
Yeah.
me,
Okay, and then cost.
instructors,
Student, instructor. Yeah.
for tens instructors and one
And
admin and 10 students.
Yeah.
at least 10 students.
At least so we just put 10 10.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next,
Then cost got four
four
tahap
levels,
3, 4, 6, 7, and
four
then
levels, which is 3, 4, 6, and 7.
Yeah.
assessment, student record, student performance report. Assessment.
And for assessment, so for assessment, we have like 10 multiple question with four selection, like this one, and also
Yeah.
this. What else?
And no. And
So remember,
we will use Moodle to complete the project.
so the software, right? Software or LMS system, CMS system,
That one is software. Moodle is software.
software, right? Software. So software we use is Moodle, and for database we use
MySQL.
MySQL. So what else?
And then maybe for the wireframe, we will use Drop.io or what?
I think Draw.io. We use Draw.io.
Draw.io.
Mm.
Mm.
So for what else? So we all do in Google Docs. Okay.
The report.
For report we use we use in Google Docs. What else? What else?
WhatsApp discussion.
Yes.
WhatsApp group discussion.
Oh,
And
Google
Google
Meet.
Meet.
Google Meet. Yeah.
Okay.
So far is like this.
For discussion, use Google Meet.
Oh, WhatsApp.
Yeah, this is full already, cannot okay for this one. So
It's
for
separate too.
discussions, Google Meet, WhatsApp,
Mm.
Google Docs.
That's all. Docs.
Else, I think clear for this project. I think it's
Yeah.
clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all for our discussions.
How about our division of tasks to complete the paperwork?
To complete the paperwork. So
Should
what
we need
suggestions?
to? Yeah.
Due date for our
Due date is Wednesday.
Wednesday, right? Wednesday midnight,
No,
11 ah?
Who do the Moodle or who do the report?
I think for this part we separate the task first. We separate the task. Can ma?
Can also.
How many tasks we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5 people. I think this one, the executive summary, 1 people.
I think the first one and summary and conclusion, 1 people,
1 people, yeah.
and number 2 and number 3, 2.
We look at the table of content. Easy to see.
Also, 1 4 is 1 person, and then chapter 2 and chapter 3 two
So
person
we
for each chapter.
one
Okay.
people, 1 people, 1 people. 1 and 4 is 1 people, and
Yeah.
second,
Yeah.
And third is 2 people each
oh, so for
chapter.
So,
So any volunteer?
I do the chapter 1 and chapter 4.
All right.
I do second part.
I do the requirement. So, Mabel and Lily?
Mabel and Lindy.
Maybe I do the
Ling go
second
to
part.
the chapter 2 already. So Mabel do chapter 3 requirement.
Come, Mabel.
Okay.
Okay, I write your name.
So this is our task to do. So for Mingjie is 1 and 4, and for second is me and Lindy, and the third part is Judging and Mabel. Okay.
Okay.
So we try to finish fast. We try to finish on Tuesday. Tuesday can.
Tuesday.
Okay.
Thursday. Sorry. Tuesday. Thursday. No,
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday due date.
Okay. So we try to finish this. So any question?
No.
Okay. I think there is no question for everyone. So thank you everyone for these discussions. Now we end our Google Meet. So for any question, just discuss in WhatsApp or mention in Google Docs. So thank you everyone.
Bye.